chúc mừng chị trẻ trẻ chia leo chia thì lại long chúc cái mà chia và đang luôn thì càng chặt đấy mà lời bằng cái này trái mà I think I want to tell one of them anything me not mommy akima me will sit to the ground down to come make a chat to chat down to go the businesses so can I'm going to team do any one name dog ni ka kwe mu ken mo ro ko kweti chuk ko kene e cher ni ma lo ko kweti down ko kida ite chat it is street going down to chat when you look at what you going to cher ke ma chat chat patek ene chuka dir the paint cher one day I'm sitting mo that we ko carry down mu cher chuk ko kene chat and then also in how ro kweti chuk mo kene ma dir ene ke le jal kampala na kasero tie we tie na kawa tie wande ge tie so one day what ka do just this is shifting with them no war gets panic no go to the market na so be be down like that pero ma tie in me the mama wa biti yango be be kilo tela ma meki ona yango ma be fiti but the only solution ma tie kan enemy to harmonize you don't need any one to strike man go ma be pick lockups the choka ma be kilo chen do it and be kilo chen ma do now ka be ki be ka cha war be get kilo chen e ona na no do giran ko the both is not balancing one thing I'm saying is that but around 4 people did the bencha at first look you now bar unfortunately and violated the day being took back by 7 through down the chat see what they think of there to security what harmonizing what they are around communicate no one way you can argue with it yeah, unfortunately today we had a small strike in the main market in the city. This strike comes as a result of outside vending. At first we cleaned up the market whereby everybody was vending from inside and the market was moving well. But unfortunately the city authority got pressure from those who didn't have space in the main market. They requested that they should have an evening market that begins from 5:30 up to late. At first it went very well, there were no complaints, everybody was okay. But as time went on, the number increased of those who are vending outside. Even those who are now selling from inside decided to leave their stores and came outside. Now the owners of the stores were not selling. And this is the result of the strike. So they informed us about a week ago that they intend to put a stopover at the selling in the main market. Because if you don't rectify the issue of selling outside, they cannot continue paying taxes when they are not making sales. So, we are the one who organized this market, but I think also to be very honest, we are the one who have messed it up as leaders. And that one I just apologize to the city dwellers. We cannot subject you to this. I promised everybody when I came to work here that I will never see tear gas being fired. But now this is the second time it's being fired. But I've spoken to the abundance, it was justifiable by the fire that tear gas. But we are going to fix this. So this is what is happening, but we are going to handle it. Thank you.
tiaga yang tia ko lo tiaga bi tia ko lo ke ni lo ka chat wa ko tiaga ni tia ko ha ko da ja yang
Ubi nyam we nyam na haka bi nyam we.
bunya ko ge e to pe tia ko pu lo ya ra me ri mo da pe ja e to ge no da mo tin na pa to lo di no tia ko lo ke ba e no wa ngi lo ka lo ka ya kana ri ma ta ka ma we ti ko lo do bu ke lo ge mo ko jo ke no we
Ini yang orang dah era apa ini tu?
ngi ge ra mo
Cái chuyện đó mau đuổi mà ra trả rồi, cái mau phở ra.
ya be da no po bu nyang ba ina we ba gi ne do bu ke lo me da dong be
Umri caji ku. je mo no